everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new, please click subscribe, and if you're a regular, welcome back. So I'm back with the hair videos. I haven't given you an update. My hairline is coming back slowly but surely. In this video I'll be showing you the L.o.c method. So what is an L.o.c method? A lock method. It is liquid, it is oil, it is cream method that makes your hair very moist. It keeps your hair super moisturized, great for length retention, and it prevents breakage. So what you can use is you can use water, you can use a water-based even, and also I've seen some people use rice water as their liquid for the lock method, but I use happy hair hydrating mist. So I start with spritzing my hair. So my hair is quite dry right now, so I'm gonna come closer. Ish. One more time. Be generous with it. I don't know why it's not coming out. Okay, work with me here, work with me. Yeah, this is what I want. You make sure that it's absorbed. And then you're gonna use your oil. So I am using castor oil. You know I love castor. You know I love me some castor oil. So you always start from the bottom. Oof, the castor oil smells though. Don't forget your hairline. And then you're gonna use your cream or butter. I use milk and honey moisture cream. Apply a generous amount. Okay. So this is how you do it. So you're gonna do it all over your hair. So my hair is done. I just did the lock method all over. Look at how good and healthy it looks. The white is because of the cream. This is the lock method. Am I not happy that my hairline is coming back? L.o.c method, the lock method. It keeps your hair good, healthy, fresh, moist. So there's no reason not to use it. So this keeps your hair hydrated. You can do it once a week. The rest of the days you just spritz water and you co-wash, and you'll see your hair will be happy. Please give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what products you use for your lock method, or if you don't use lock method and you'll start after seeing this video. And do subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. #Vlogmas2020, #Road to 20K. What's good?